algebra factorization f4 algebra 4 minus 13 x square b square 36 before factorization and midterm factor f4 minus 4 x square b square 9 x square b square but 36 before from there x square 4 b square from 9 b square x square 4 b square x square minus 4 b square x square 9 b square x square minus 2 b whole square x square minus 5 b times the whole square a plus 2b a minus 2b a plus 3b a minus 3b. Was this realized this sorry properly? Everybody producing my is doing me. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Everybody is progressing my civilization was this realizes and factorization theory. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Everybody progressing my civilization.